so much and reflects such accomplishment to a friend whose absence leaves a hole in all our lives. Barbara would have loved this dinner, right? She adored legal aid, she reveled in appellate litigation, and was deeply, deeply enmeshed in the Washington legal scene. And most of all, she loved using the law to work change for good. She was made for this. But then she was made for so many things that she did so well. I met her first in law school, where she was indispensable to many of us, and her classmates are here, several of them. She was indispensable to us from the get-go. Others have known her even longer, including her great friend, Marcia, and we treasure memories that include midnight runs in high heels after way too many Long Island iced teas, or even prepping Barb for the potential that she might have to cook breakfast for a man, no less, that she was pursuing. But I digress. I want to turn to her golden resume: Yale Law School, 3 federal clerkships, including one at the Supreme Court, a partner in a big law firm, an assistant to the Solicitor General. She knew appellate litigation as few lawyers can ever claim to. And I remember talking with her about a potential move to legal aid at the beginning of that letter that you received. There is no doubt that her new job was a shift, but Barb adored the work. Her colleagues meant so much to her. I can only imagine what it would mean to her to see you all here tonight. Legal aid and Barb's cases made a real difference to the world around us. Her formidable skills as a writer, we've heard of just a little bit, and I would add oral advocate, challenged her right away as she stepped into ongoing cases. As her friend and colleague David Reiser put it, when Barb took a deposition in a case early on, it may well have been the first deposition she'd ever taken. But if necessary, she would do everything from trial work to Xeroxing to win her case and serve her clients. Barb also found herself immersed in another case that had not been well organized, cleaned it up, helped the client prune the case to issues that could succeed. She handled cases for clients with mental disabilities, victims of domestic abuse, and more. None of these were easy as legal matters or with picture-perfect clients. But Barb had the magic that all lawyers want. She could humanize her cases and at the same time explain doctrine with a clarity and precision that showcased her talent as a wordsmith, sure. But her briefs and arguments persuaded because the argument was based firmly in law and unquestionably in the interests of justice. I will close just by saying that we are holding up Barbara as an example today. This is fitting because she was an example. She had great capacity for justice and also for joy in life. I just learned that she bicycled from Prague to Vienna for her honeymoon with Jerry. She also had stamina. They went to Nat skiing, they did distance swimming, they watched all the political talk shows on Sunday morning, and they cared deeply, and Jerry still does, about helping those in need. Jerry was Barb's beloved husband. He has continued the good work that he and Barb began. I am proud to know him and to see the work of the McDowell Hartman Foundation. You are all here tonight because legal aid is so vital to justice. Our country needs more like you, and especially more like Barb, but she is irreplaceable.